Okay, we got a drag race coming up on pads 2 and 3. Well, it looks like maybe pads 2 and 4, but we'll call it 2 and 3. Logan has his Goblin on 2. This is an Estes rocket painted reddish orange with a black nose cone. And Tyler has his Goblin rocket on pad 3. Also, well, this one's with a D22-7. Both of them 1.33 diameter, 14 inches long, and about 4 ounces. This is a drag race. Pads 2 and 3. We are armed. Do we have both of our flyers ready? Yes, all right. Then we are going to launch these in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.